Tobacco, an environmental curse. There is more to tobacco than just disease, poverty and death. Tobacco is one of the biggest threats to our environment and the entire ecology around us. Tobacco industry, manufacturers and tobacco users pollute the environment in numerous ways. The entire vicious cycle of growing tobacco, processing tobacco, production and packaging, delivery, consumption and disposal causes severe and irreversible damage to the environment. The World Health Organization highlights tobacco as one of the biggest threats to our environment, leading to soil erosion, deforestation, water contamination, air pollution, carbon emissions, marine life fatality, climate change and global warming. The entire process of tobacco farming and curing involves massive deforestation because vast forests have to be cleared for commercial farming of tobacco and lots of wood is burnt to dry the tobacco leaves. This directly causes soil erosion, reduced soil fertility, disrupted water cycles and disturbed climate change. The manufacturing process of cigarettes alone causes the biggest environmental damage during tobacco's life cycle because it uses large volume of water, heavy usage of energy and electricity, and thousands of chemicals and harmful substances. Shredding and assembling tobacco requires energy and metals for machines. Curing tobacco consumes large quantity of wood, water and chemicals. Tobacco and cigarette packaging requires rolling paper, cardboards and cartons, which involves cutting of trees and rampant deforestation. Environmental damage is further worsened during international transportation and global distribution as shipping and aviation burns maximum fossil fuels and emit direct carbon dioxide and other harmful carcinogens causing severe air pollution. The non-biodegradable waste disposal of cigarette butts are often referred as the most littered item on earth. 75% of the smokers have confessed that they dispose cigarette butts on the ground or out of a moving car. These butts get washed down to oceans, thereby killing marine life that accidentally consumes this toxic waste. Moreover, all the trashed cigarette butts eventually end up in landfills, on our beaches, green spaces, sidewalks, gardens and waterways. These cause permanent damage to the environment and punches an irreparable dent in the overall ecology of our planet. Waste generated from consumption of other tobacco products like BDs, smokeless tobacco, and nicotine products like e-cigarettes further pollutes the environment. Tobacco industry invests heavily to greenwash their environmentally damaging practices by reporting environmental impact and funding environmental corporate social responsibility (CSR) projects and organizations. Massive greenwashing cover-up by the tobacco industry's vested interests eventually costs precious human lives. The World Health Organization supports tobacco users to successfully quit tobacco use. Commit to Quit campaign to help tobacco users quit by scientifically proven methods and tools. Quit tobacco, save lives, save environment. Join our initiative on www.who.int/campaigns/World No Tobacco Day/2022.